In this question, you have to identify that spraying sugarcane crop with which plant growth regulator increases the length of the stem, thus increasing the yield. Option A, cytokinin. It is incorrect because cytokinin primarily promotes cell division and delay leaf senescence. Option B, abscisic acid. It is also incorrect because abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. Option C, auxin. Now, auxins promote cell elongation and are involved in apical dominance and root initiation. However, their role in increasing sugarcane stem length is limited as compared to gibberellins. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, gibberellin. Now, gibberellins are known to promote stem elongation by stimulating cell division as well as elongation. And sugarcanes store carbohydrates as sugar in their stems. So, spraying sugarcane crops with gibberellins increases the length of the stem and thus increasing the yield. Hence, it is the correct option.